Alright, so this is a troubleshooting video. The auger engages for a half a second. I brought it inside. It's already taken a beating. It's really not that old. I've used it 4 or 5 times. And yes, it's beat up. But that's because I always have dirt and gravel at the base of the driveway. So I am going to insert, if I could, the original batteries that come with this. And you can see the inside. Oh, let me turn this way. So you can see these are the original batteries going in, which are very difficult to take out, by the way. They don't seem to... There you go. Lights are on. So batteries work. Okay. Now, I took the handle apart so that I could bring it over to here. So you could see when I depress the button, and you'll be able to see how much the auger doesn't turn. Let me see which way I could put this so it doesn't tip over. Alright. That's it. That's all I get. So because I have power and the belt seems to be very tight, there's really no play in that. I have to take out the auger. And I've already taken off both sides. And I've got to troubleshoot this now. I've had it inside overnight. I've cleaned it all as best I could. And yes, the batteries are still fully charged. There you go. Fully charged. And that's the problem I'm running into. So we'll see what happens. Holy crud. So I had to get this plate off. And I finally freed up the auger. But I had to take the belt off on the other side. So either I put this half back together and give it a try, or take everything back apart and move on to the next step. I mean, she's already beat, but I got plans. More rocks. The rocks were sitting in between here. And I'm gonna fix that so that doesn't happen. You see how that's all scraped up? That's from the rock that just fell out. Thank you, snowplow. Okay, so with a little help of YouTube, I got the belt on. I have to tighten up all these bolts. One of them broke. Cheap. So what I had to do is, as I was putting the belt going all the way around, I had to turn the auger and hold on tightly and make sure it didn't slip off of this. And then I was able to get it around the wheel all nice and tight. She's good. Like I said, I just got to tighten this up just a tad bit. Okay, so now for the actual test. I'm hoping I got a good angle, but you can actually see in here it's hard to depress the bail and the lock. Okay, so it works. Now for the upgrade.